Greetings and salutations, Ravage Rider here. Let's install a Corbin seat on a Harley Davidson TriGlide. Here's my father opening the seat for the first time. He custom ordered it and it took approximately 6 weeks to arrive. He chose the black leather with a medium silver stitching, but there is almost endless options for colors and choice of vinyl or leather. We're going to remove the passenger backrest first. It's held on by these 3 bolts. They simply unbolt and the backrest comes right off. The Corbin seat does not have the bolt studs embedded in the seat. Instead, it has screws and washers. Line the seat up and screw it in place. Here's a quick before and now the after. Notice the stitching detail and the much larger armrests. Here's the backrest for the rider. And finally the seat. Once again, black leather and medium silver stitching. The first thing I noticed is the deep saddle for the rider. It definitely reminds me of a horse saddle. The Velcro here flips up to expose the slot for the backrest. Here's the bottom of the seat. The backrest pole slides into the slot and this included screw goes here and secures it in place. To remove the seat itself, there's a single screw under the seat that needs to be removed. But before we take the seat off, we remove the factory backrest. Simply squeeze the 2 poles together and it comes free. There's a spring that holds it in place. With the screw removed behind the seat, lift up at the back and slide the seat back to free it. And here's the factory backrest mount. I see there are multiple height notches. We unbolted the mount and put the bolts back in place. Now we're ready to place the new seat on. Just secure the screw in the back. Both the rider and the passenger feel more secure while seated on the Corbin seat versus the factory seat. It's a little firmer, yet is more comfortable. We haven't been able to put it through its paces on a long distance trip yet, but we'll provide a follow-up video after doing so. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.